We have another question, and this is the question. So what does it mean if a trait has a heritability of 0.8? Again, what does it mean if a trait has a heritability of 0.8? Now, when we say heritability, that is the portion or proportion of variation in the phenotype of a population that is due to additive genetic variance. I repeat, isusulat ko na lang. So, heritability, ang symbol niya is H squared. This is the proportion of observed phenotypic variance in a population that is due to additive genetic variance. Or in formula, this is equal to additive variance over phenotypic variance. Particularly for narrow sense heritability. Meron tayo kasing dalawang klase ng heritability. The broad sense, which considers the genotypic variance, and the narrow sense, which is this. Mas importante yung narrow sense heritability kasi ang kino-consider doon sa formula ay yung portion that is genetic, that is due to additive. Yan, that is inherited. Ngayon, ano daw ibig sabihin kapag ang trait ay may heritability value of 0.8 or 80%? Kung i-restate mo to, 80% of the trait variation is due to additive genetic effects. Pero tingnan natin kung yun nga ba yung nasa choices. So let's read letter A. 80% of the trait is genetically determined. B. 80% of the phenotypic value is genetic in nature. Letter C. 80% of the phenotypic variation is due to additive effects. And D. Trait is greatly affected by the genotype and the environment. Magsimula tayo dito sa letter D. Trait is greatly affected by the genotype and environment. Walang mali. So the statement is correct. Correct yung statement because ito yung formula. Diba? Pero it does not answer the question. Yung statement is correct, walang mali, pero it does not answer the question. So we are left now with letter A, B, and C. I-assess natin kung alin sa mga tatlo ang better answer. So balik tayo sa letter A. Sabi niya, 80% of the trait is genetically determined. This is wrong. Bakit wrong? Kasi parang kung i-rephrase mo kasi ito, ang ibig sabihin niyan, 80% of the trait itself, we have to highlight, the trait itself is genetic in an individual. And take note that heritability is all about variation, not trait composition. It's all about variation. Kaya nga ang ginagamit natin to compute is kino-consider natin yung variance or sigma squared. So letter A is wrong because it sounds like na yung component ng trait na yon, 80% ng component ng trait na yon ay due to genetics, which is wrong. Dapat kapag we are talking of heritability, kino-consider natin yung variation. Letter B. 80% of the phenotypic value is genetic in nature. Again, this is wrong because this statement misrepresents heritability. It's not about the phenotypic value of one animal only, but rather the variance in phenotype. Yun yung palaging tatandaan. Variance, variation across a group or across a population. Ang tinutukoy kasi sa letter A, individual lang. Individual trait, ito individual lang din na hayop. Pero dapat we we treat heritability as a characteristic of a population. Hindi natin mako-compute ang heritability using one record from one animal only. Para ma-compute natin ang heritability, we need the records of individuals in a population. Para ma-compute natin yung variance, kailangan natin ng population, hindi yung iisang individual lang. So we are left with letter C, which is the correct answer. Kasi among these choices, siya yung may phenotypic variation. So ano ibig sabihin ng 0.8 na heritability? A heritability of 0.8 means that 80% of the phenotypic variation or differences is due to additive effects. Ibig sabihin, highly heritable ang trait na to. Highly heritable. Kung highly heritable ang trait, you expect strong, consistent response to selection. Rapid yung genetic improvement pag ganon. So I repeat, 80% of the phenotypic variation or differences that we see or observe in a trait is due to additive genetic effects. Meaning, selection will be very, very effective for these traits. So I hope you learned something from this explanation. Thank you very much, everyone.